Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I will guide you through the journey of becoming a shoemaker, starting from the beginning. So, ensure to subscribe to my channel. In this video, I will introduce you to the first thing a beginner must know and possess to be able to make shoes, and that is tools. I will show you the tools and what they are used for. Should you have any questions as regards to this video, please feel free to leave your questions in the comment section. So, let's begin. So, the first tool I'm going to introduce you to is the pen. Pen is used for drawing lines and making reference mark and drawing patterns also. There are two types of pen. There is a normal pen, that is the biro, the one that has ink, and the second type of pen is the stitch marker. That one comes in the form of pencil. It writes like a pencil, but it is erasable. You can easily clean it. So the stitch marker is often used to draw patterns on the face of the leather you're using. On the other hand, the ink pen is used to draw either the pattern of your sole on the marco or on the fiber board, or even on the sole. The second thing I would like to introduce you to is your cutter knife. From the name knife, it is used to cut patterns out or to cut some parts of shoes, some materials used in making shoes, such as the marco or the fiber, or even the heel when you're preparing heel of a shoe. We can use it to trim out the excess on unwanted parts. And next is your ruler. A ruler is used to draw lines. Simple. It's used to make straight lines, draw straight lines. And for shoemaking, a metal ruler is preferred. And next is the tip. The tip, just like a tailor, a shoemaker also needs a tip to take measurements. And with this tape, you can actually confirm the size of sole you're buying, because oftentimes you go to the market to buy a shoe, and on that shoe will be written a size that is not actually your size. Size 43 of a particular type of sizing may end up being size 40 for another type of sizing. So it depends on where that shoe is imported from. So, but to confirm the real size of your shoe or sole, most importantly here, if you go to the market to get a sole for a shoe you want to make, you use the tape to confirm the size. I'll show you how to do that in subsequent video or training. So the next is scissors. There are also two types of scissors we use as shoemaker. There is the paper scissors, now the one I call paper scissors, and there's the leather scissors. The paper scissors is simply the scissors that is used by tailor. They are not heavy duty, they are used to cut light things. So that paper scissors, I often use it to cut paper, to trim out paper. The leather scissors, on the other hand, is used to cut leather. It's used for heavy duty. So it's used to cut the leather. You can use it to cut marco. You can use it to cut the fiber board. You can use it to cut even the heel, some heels. You can use these scissors to cut the heel. The next is a lasting plier. This lasting plier is often used by shoemakers who make covered shoes. Yes. They use the lasting plier to last the cover shoe. But aside cover shoes, you can also use it for sandals, for palm slippers, for so in the absence of lasting plier, you can actually go for long nose plier. So you can use it as a substitute for this lasting plier if you don't have enough money to buy the lasting plier. So it can serve the same purpose. The long nose plier can serve the same purpose as the lasting plier, but the lasting plier is more effective and more efficient. So the next is your hammer. You need a hammer to hit. Then there's also another kind of hammer called the mallet. A mallet is a soft hammer. It's used to hit something that does not require much of pressure. Then the next is your brush. The brush is used for gum application, to apply your adhesive to surfaces. And next is masking tape. So it's useful. It's used mostly. Masking tape is very important, especially in pattern making. Next is your last come in different shoe last. The shoe last comes in different sizes and different shape. There are shoe lasts for making sandals. There are shoe lasts for making covered shoe. And also shoe lasts come in children's size, female size, and male size. Then the next thing is your puncher. Puncher is used to make holes on shoes. You use the puncher to make holes on shoes, and oftentimes you use the hard hammer to hit on the puncher to make that hole. Sandpaper. You need a sandpaper to smoothen surfaces, especially if as a starter you may not have enough money to get a filing machine. So in the absence of a filing machine, you can use a sandpaper to roughen your edges and smoothen them. You use the rough sandpaper to roughen, the smooth sandpaper to smoothen. For now, these are the tools you need to kickstart your journey into shoemaking. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon to stay updated, and also like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.